Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing skin wrapping, or I can call it the upgrade continues and continues more and more so as we can continue with things up and running. So today I'm having a skin wrapping, which is somewhere here, which this kind of skin wrapping we're gonna wrap on the table, because I was thinking so many times if we're gonna leave the table just white. I know you may be starting saying, Abdul, you've started keeping up a lot of stickers. I'm not keeping a lot of stickers, but I'm making the studio looking more and more dope compared to how much it was last time. So we're gonna just keep some skin wrapping. I know it will take a bunch of time because I have just to keep things or removing everything here on the table so as we can just get focused on skin wrapping. Now I'm gonna just keep the video on the kind of speed a little bit so it won't be like each step one step. I hope some of you guys know that, but something which is so great, I'm gonna share with you the tools which I'm using. Now I'm using this kind of tool which is so great because it's having a razor somewhere here inside of this tool, which gives it mostly greatly when you're coming on cutting. So I'll give you an example. So as you can see guys, if I'm just keeping up this kind of stuff here, or let me just remove this sticker so as I can show you in reality how it works. You see, this kind of tool, it's really kind of great, and I got it on AliExpress, and this is how it works. You just take it and you just do this way, and you bypass it through the sticker somewhere here. This way you can see we have cut out the sticker, which is really kind of brilliant, because if you want to just minimize your stickers, if you want to customize a lot of things and you want to minimize it, this tool is the way to go. I'll leave a link down below to grab the whole set of the tools, because it comes with bunch of stuff. You get a mini knife like this one, you get this kind of long stuff, I don't know what's the name of it, but it's really worth it when it comes to wrapping. And we get this kind of one which it's been used on tinted of cars and stuff, but this one makes things smoothly to get those kind of bubbles outside of the sticker. So for further talking or further ado, let's get started. So guys, we are actually done with the skinning, which it probably took a little bit of time. And if you know patience with the process while you're doing, you might be finding it a little bit more difficult. But if you just want to pursue it in a really kind of great way, just plan out things, get things together, and just keep on doing it, and eventually things will happen. And something else, this kind of skin, it's only it's 1 meter, so it costs like 20,000 Tanzanian shillings, which is really kind of affordable for 1 meter, because you can do plenty stuff with 1 meter, and the other part may be remaining, and you might be using it skinning in other kind of stuff like laptops, phones, and bunch of stuff. So this is like the process I would like to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and it's really kind of great understanding the whole procedure of this kind of skin. And if you like those kind of parts which I was using, the tools, I mean, no parts, They're all from AliExpress. I'll leave a link down below in the description so some of you guys can go and check them out. And last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one, because I'm a little bit sick because I have something here in my mouth. They're calling it homa, or I guess it's a night fever, or I don't know how it's called in English, I mean, but I think I'm continuing recovering slow by slow, bit by bit. So that's what's up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one, as well as keep your smiley faces, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. That's what's up. Peace.